Hi guys.
Hi guys.
This is my Nima.
This is Arella.
Well, something. You can use a phone case. Look, it's magic. Well, there's another magnet in the back.
Yeah, for today's video, I have a question for Arella. So we can check how
How
smart
smart I
she is. Okay, you will like this question. You have time to think before you answer.
Okay.
Who's your best friend and what do you like to do together?
Alam ko na, Chef. Kala mo na yun.
Si Cheska ba talaga ang best friend mo? Cheska is my niece. Anak siya ng brother ko. Sige. So, what do you like to do together? Your favorite thing to do?
TikTok!
Alo? Alo, baka bawal yan. Pagkakalitan tayo ni FB. Oh, what
Hindi.
else aside from that? Yung important things
Funny,
naman.
watching funny video.
Okay. So, yun nga ginagawa talaga nila. Favorite nila yung dumaan, nagwa-YT sila. Tapos lahat ng mga funny videos, yun yung mga pinapanood nila. And minsan nga ako natatawa na rin eh. So, what else?
Cellphone.
What else pa?
Watching TV. That's it. That's all what we do.
Yun lang po.
Yes?
Kasi naman yung mga bata ngayon talagang hindi rin naman sila makalabas to do outdoor activities.
Minsan may punishment na nga eh.
Tama na, don't do that. Don't do that. Okay. So, Rella wants to watch with Cheska. What else? Ayun nga, hilig nila yung magaling sila mag-dance, lalo na si Cheska. She's a very good...
No, she's not. It's me. I'm your granddaughter. Just kidding.
Nga pala kayo, magaling magsayaw. Pareho silang magaling magsayaw. Keep it up. Okay? So, how about naman school activities? Yung favorite school activities na ginagawa ninyo?
Nung first trip ko lang pumasok sa school niya, hindi niya ako pinansin.
Okay. Si Cheska kasi meron siyang
My best friend.
sometimes may Sunday school sila.
Every day, every Sunday. Pero
No. It's not always. It's not every Sunday. Minsan lang yun. Parang once in a month, Sunday lang. So, one time, sumama si Cheska, si Arella sa kanila. Kasi pwede naman sila bring ng friends or relatives with
Alam mo,
them.
hindi niya ako pinansin.
Pero ginagawa yung Sunday school sa school din nila ha. Kasi Christian school sila. So, ano ba yung na-experience mo doon?
She didn't even fancy me.
Bakit ka naman hindi niya pinapansin? Kayo kasi nag-aaway.
Di nga kami nag-aaway. Sabi ko, Cheska, listen to the teacher. Sabi, bayaan mo na.
So hindi kayo nagpapansinan po kasi you're seriously listening to the teacher. Okay naman yun. So, hindi pa nga yun nauulit no? Nagbakasyon pa. So, sige, one day ulit sama ka sa Sunday school.
Oh no, I'm going to Tita Las Church naman. It's fun there. There's a lot of games. They give you free snacks. And we can study with something.
Yung sa ka-sister ko din, they're attending a Christian din sila. So, minsan nakakasama si Arella Sunday church. So, yan. Ganun ganda. Ayun. Maraming natututunan ng bata.
Well, Sean, I can.
Sumasama sila.
So, Sean, I can.
Aside from sa mga yung mga normal na ginagawa ng Catholic Church, yung misa, pero iba pa rin, may iba ang mga Christian gathering. Meron silang specific na ginagawa for kids kasi.
Sorry, the camera's moving.
Okay. Yeah, maganda naman yung bonding nyo palagi ni Cheska. Okay? Yeah, thank you for watching our video.
Bye!
Bye, God bless. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Please support us.
Please.